Hi friends, here's Milo. Wanted to say hello. He really wants his ball. Want your ball? It's his favorite one. Are you gonna go play? You want to show everybody your ball? Yep, maybe we'll make a video where he likes to play catch. Uh-oh, it rolled away. Go get it. Get the ball. Alright, well, today I want to read you another story. And this one is called Raindrops Fall All Around. Hi, buddy. Do you want to join? Alright, hold on. Alright, you can sit right here. Good boy. Raindrops fall all around. Milo's gonna help me. In the country, in the town, rain is falling all around. Raindrops drip on the leaves and flowers. Cars splash through the April showers. Look, we have some squirrels here. They're enjoying all the rain. Here are all the cars splashing. Raindrops keep a steady beat. What kind of animal is this, guys? Yes, it's a beaver. Rain forms puddles in the streets. Rain turns hillsides fresh and green. Raindrops wash the sidewalks clean. A flowing creek fills up with rain. Rain seeps down into the drain. Milo wants in on the story. Rushing water makes a path. Bluebirds take a little bath. Ducklings swim through the lake. Raindrops make the puppies shake. Just like Milo. Look, the puppies. They're shaking like you do. Lightning flashes in the sky. Thunder rumbles away up high. Time to say goodnight to rain. Raindrops tap dance on the pane. See, the puppies are going to sleep. Rain clouds slowly pass on by. A rainbow spreads across the sky. Look at that. That is a big rainbow. The end. However, Milo wants to play ball now, so we'll grab his ball. Where's the ball? I'll turn it to him. Oh, he got it. Good job, Milo. Well, I'll try and make more videos with Milo. I think he enjoys it. Bye, guys.